Is this your key? And there was like one Saab in the parking lot. It's like in the movies, things happen. Okay, gonna turn on the ignition up, and if there's something wrong, be quick to turn it off. Yep, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be a little bit gay. No, it isn't. Up. Everything works, nothing in the way. We cleaned out all the glass. Yep. Nice tip. I put on a tube wrench on my vacuum cleaner, so I could fit it with duct tape right in the grooves to catch all the glass. Yep. Just holding it a bit so it doesn't. Yep, that's the end of that. So now the idea is to put in the handle again, turn off the ignition. Yep. Key out, doors open. We don't need power. You never know. These things all work with a 15 plus. That's not me. So now the idea was to put in the weather seal like this. It should be perfect like that. Perhaps a bit higher. Yep. And we should be able to slide it in, I think, although that was my solution. It just might work. Just might work. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. But we still need to have access for the bolts. Yep. And I think we're just a little bit almost better if this one stays here for a while. Yep. Yep, I think we're at the correct height for. Yep. I see the holes. And this one, yep, needs to be right over there. Look, now the window is in place. Yep. Yep, we're in business. I can fix it like that. But it's a really tight fit, you see. One bolt over there, one bolt over here. Yep. Then push in the seal. I'm gonna loosen this one so it can wiggle a bit for the little window to go in. But yeah, you do not have to take it apart. But I'm glad we learned something today. I'm gonna fix it all again and I'll show you the final result. Catch you later.